Oh crap.
Thunderstorm watch number 72, effective until 5 a.m. Sunday. This watch includes the following counties: in Wisconsin, Adams, Calumet, Columbia, Dane, Dodge, Fond du Lac, Green Lake, Green Iowa, Jefferson, Juneau, Kenosha, Lafayette, Manitowoc, Marquette, Milwaukee, Ozaukee, Racine, Richland, Rock, Sauk, Sheboygan, Vernon, Walworth, Washington, Waukesha, and Winnebago, and the following: nearshore waters around Sheboygan to Port Washington, nearshore waters by Port Washington to North Point Lighthouse, nearshore waters from North Point Lighthouse to Wind Point, and nearshore waters from Wind Point to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Illinois: Boone, McHenry, Stevenson, and Winnebago. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements